my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Today, let me start Unit GK, Unit 3, Our Country, India, Chapter number 20, Chandrayaan 3. So, let's begin. India is all charged up to launch Chandrayaan 3 in 2022. As its fabrication has been delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, so Jitendra Singh, India's Union Minister of State for Space, responded to the Parliament writing that ISRO is expected to launch the spacecraft in the third quarter of the year 2023. Okay, so what is Chandrayaan 3? Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft is the third lunar exploration outlined by the Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO planned this spacecraft to exhibit India's soft landing proficiency on a stellar body. It will only consist of a rover and lander and communicate to the Earth via an orbiter from Chandrayaan 2. So this ambitious mission encompasses several configurations, integration and cognizance. Okay, so additionally there are several other detailed testing remaining to evaluate the spacecraft. Okay, so features of Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft. Chandrayaan 3 will take its flight into outer space with a rover and lander. It will not include any orbiter like Chandrayaan 2. India aims to examine the moon's surface, especially areas that have not been receiving sunlight in some billion years. Scientists and astronomers are suspecting the presence of ice and abundant mineral stocks in these darker parts of the lunar surface. So, in addition, this exploration will not limit to the surface, aim to study the subsurface and exosphere. The rover of this spacecraft will communicate to Earth via an orbiter taken from Chandrayaan 2. It will study the surface by taking images at a distance of 100 km from the lunar orbit. So, it is Chandrayaan 3. Okay? So, students, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Elections 2024 in India. India is the world's largest democracy and its elections are a key component of its political system. So the 2024 general election is an important event when citizens vote to choose their leaders. Here are some questions that will help you learn about the election process and the Lok Sabha. Question number 1. What is the total number of seats in Lok Sabha as a general election 2024? So option is C, 543 seats. Which body is responsible for conducting elections in India? Option is B, Election Commission. How often general elections are held in India? So option is B, every 5 years. Question number 4. What is the minimum age requirement for a citizen to vote in India? At least 28 years. Which party does the current Prime Minister represent? 5 is A, Bharatiya Janata Party. Which political party uses the symbol of a lotus? BJP. Who appoints Chief Elections Commissioner of India? President. How many first-time voters are there in Lok Sabha elections 2024? So option is A, 85 lakhs. Which political party won the most seat in Lok Sabha 2019 elections? Option A, BJP. Who founded the Aam Aadmi Party? Arvind Kejriwal. Option C. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Famous places of India. Take the correct option. The Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is situated at option C, Hyderabad. Where is the Railway Staff College located? Where is Railway Staff College located? It is Vadodara. The famous Dilwara temples are situated in Rajasthan. Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is located at, it is C, Dehradun. Bijapur is known for its Gol Gumbaz. National Institute of Nutrition is located in which of the following place? So the option is D, Hyderabad. National Institute of Aeronautical Engineers is located at, so option is D, Delhi. Question number 8. The world famous Khajuraho sculptures are located in Madhya Pradesh. Kandla is situated on the Gulf of Kutch. Is well known for which of the following? किस लिए famous है वो Kandla? So option number A, export processing zone. Question number 10. National Police Academy is located in Hyderabad. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is located in, question number 11, option is D, Tiruvananthapuram. Mandi House is the Office of Director General of Doordarshan. The National Institute of Community Development is located at, so the answer is B, Pantnagar. The famous rock garden is located in which city? Question number 14, so option is D, Chandigarh. Sanchi Stupa is located near Bhopal. Indian Cancer Research Institute, okay, where is located? कहाँ पे है ये? Option is D, Mumbai. Central Drug Research Institute is located at in Lucknow. Ajanta Ellora caves are situated near Aurangabad. National School of Mines is located in Dhanbad. Sun Temple is situated at Konark. All questions have done. So students, this chapter is in here. Okay, so let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. About India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. Okay, so in the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. Watch the share of the Indian peninsula. India has an area of about 328 million square kilometers. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Puchi is about 2,900 kilometers. Okay, so the lofty mountains, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, and the uneven plateau, surface in the coast and island present a diversity of a landform. So there is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, well as in the language and culture in this diversity. So we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. So it is the second most populous country of the world after China. India, area and location. Following are some facts about India's size, area and location. The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. The total stretch of the country from north to south, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, is 3,200 kilometers. So the east-west stretch, Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch, of the country is about 2,900 kilometers. Okay, India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of the country at 23 degree and 13 north. From south to north, the mainland of India extends between the 8 degree 4 and 36 degree 6, 37 degree 6 and latitudes from west to east. So India extends between the 68 degree 7 and latitudes from west to east. India extends between the 68 degree 7 E and 97 degree 25 E2 latitudes. Due to its large longitudinal extent of about 29 degree, there are wide differences between the local time of two places located from each other within India. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Deserts. Given below are the clues about some of the world famous desert. 1. A popular desert in Greek and the Middle East. It has layers of pastry filled with a spice and nut mixture rich in it. It is baklava. Number 2. This is favorite in India to make this milk balls made from flour and milk dough are fried and put in sugar syrup. Enjoy it warm or cold. It is gulab jamun. These traditional Japanese bite-sized sweets are made with rice cakes called mochi, ozuki, bean paste and fruits. The paste is molded into various attractive fruit shapes. तो ये है wagashi. Wagashi. V-A-G-A-S-H-R. Wagashi. The Poland, this popular cake is made from fresh cheese known as twarogs. Sometimes potatoes are added to it. Sevnik. In this oven-baked custard, caramelized sugar is poured into a vessel to coat the bottom and a vanilla-flavored custard is poured on top. तो ये है flan. This smooth and creamy caramel-like sauce from Latin America is also known as sweet mint. You can have it with anything from cookies or ice cream to cakes and candies. So this rich Indian dessert is made by boiling rice or wheat with milk and sugar and is flavored with cardamom, raisins, saffron, pistachio or almonds. It is kheer. A traditional French dessert that has a vanilla-flavored custard base. It is chilled in special dishes with sugar sprinkled on top and then caramelized just before serving. A treat for your taste buds. Brulee. Creme brulee. Question number 9. A hearty sweet layered pastry with a filling side. This one is typical to Austrian cuisine. Strudel. S-T-R-U-D-L-E. This soft and creamy traditional Italian cake is made of biscuit dipped in espresso and layered with mascarpone, egg yolks and sugar. So it is tiramisu. Eleven. It is a dish of ice cream topped with syrup, nuts and whipped cream. This dessert named after a day of the week and cheer you up and day. It is Sundai. This mouth-watering dessert made of ice cream layered with fruit and syrup is often served in a tall glass. Paraffin. P-A paraffin. 13. Smooth, soft, creamy and yummy. This is richly flavored Italian-style ice cream. Gelato. This chilled refreshing dessert gets its French name from the Persian word sharbat. It's made of fruit juice, sugar, milk and egg white. It is sorbat. Okay? So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Indian states, capitals, and union territories. Our country, India, is a great country. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Let's read and know about our country. Okay, this is chapter number 25. Indian states, capitals, and union territories. So this chapter only for reading. So our country, India, is a great country. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Let's read and know about our country. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. 50. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Azal. Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. And West Bengal, Kolkata. Now next, union territories. Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair. Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, it is Daman. The government of and city of Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is Jammu West. Ladakh, Leh. Lakshadweep, Kavratip. And Puducherry. Okay. So everyone, this chapter only for knowledge, only for reading. Okay. So let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. Famous people of Indian origin. Given below are the clues that will lead you to some of the world famous personalities who, though living in different countries of the world, are originally from India. Such people are also known as people of India. Number 1, the world-renowned sitar player settled in USA, Pandit Ravi Shankar. The author settled in West Indies who has been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2001. ये हैं V.S. Naipaul. The creator of Hot Nail who settled in USA. Sabir Bhatia. The former Prime Minister of Fiji who is Indian origin. Number 4, Mahendra Chaudhary. The world famous conductor of Western classical music who originally hails from Gujarat. So the Zubin Mehta. The first person of Indian origin to be elected as the Chief Minister of a province in Canada. Number 6, ये हैं दोसांझ. The Indian settled in UK who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics. Amartya Sen. The captain of cricket team of UK who was born in Chennai, Madras, ये हैं नासिर हुसैन. The popular lady filmmaker who has won critical acclaim for her work. She is originally from India but is settled in USA, Meera Nair. America's second woman astronaut to go on a space mission. She is of Indian origin. Number 10, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 27. Our country. How much do you know about your motherland? Test yourself, take right the correct answer. Question number 1, when did our country become a republic? 1950. Who composed our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the playing time of our national anthem? 52 seconds. How many spokes are there in the chakra of our national flag? 24. Which color in the national flag stands for courage and sacrifice? Saffron. How many lions are there in our national emblem? 4. How many states are there in India? 28. Who was the first president of a country? Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When do you celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. Which country does not share its border with India? Russia. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. Records in India. Write the correct letter in the boxes to match these columns and find out more about some milestone in India. Okay, number 1, first atomic station, Tarapur Power Station, C. Largest public sector bank, State Bank of India. Highest battleground, Siachen Glacier. Longest sea bridge, Bandra Worli Sea Link, H. Longest dam, Hirakud. Largest delta, Sundarban, A. Highest gateway, Buland Darwaja. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple, Amritsar. Tallest brick minaret, 9, Qutub Minar. First newspaper, The Bengal. First newspaper, The Bengal Gazette. Oldest political party, Indian National Congress, L. Youngest Prime Minister to assume office, Rajiv Gandhi. Largest mosque, Jama Masjid. Longest national highway, NH7. M. Okay. So students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.